Adelia and a chino go the champion chola, which I'm going to town with Tone and something touch the Leshuayin. And got there don't chapon the Sunday good thing. And Tarin there and also and a Bergen Demdun County, Tibet Museum exhibition day, also there. The Indo-Tibetan border police Sima Dwars in such a year at Derazun Yendamla. The daily are con number on the champion Shuayin. Then the Kanitang and do the Ma Chazan Digia to the Ditaway. The Kran took it on the Pimbu chair, then the Inspector General chair, DIG Nazi Pegado, then officer, then the Daganashima Kwan took JCOs, the Ganashima Kwan took a Mami Juma Tamalo, Kam Mamaji, trained Justin and Demden Shuage. And Patu Kodu Chibetone entering there to the touch of Chagachukin and Gotham on that to the Naba of the Dusine, entering the sugar years in a Shuai, Kuchana. Morning, sir. Hi, morning. Welcome. Thank you. Tibet Museum. I'll request everything.
As we all know today, Colonel Nabu and his team will present a very informative presentation come exhibition on Tibet and Indo-Tibet ancient relations and current bonds relation. Now I heartily request to Colonel Nabu to come on stage and to introduce himself and his team.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. Tashi Dile, Jai Hind. I, on behalf of Central Tibetan Administration, Tibetan Government in Exile, Dharamsala, Himachal Pradesh, and Tibetan Welfare Office, Dehradun, as well as Doon Tibetan Community, heartily welcome Shri K.P. Singh, DIG, Shri Ashok Kumar Negi, DIG, Shri Ranjit Rana, DIG, Shri Narwal, DIG, Shri Shinde Kumar, Commandant, officers, JCUs and men of Indo-Tibetan Border Police Dehradun in today's Mobile Tibet Museum exhibition being organized in ITBB Auditorium. The Central Tibetan Administration has dedicated this year, the year of gratitude to His Holiness, the great 14th Dalai Lama of Tibet, with a focus on sharing and celebrating His Holiness' outstanding contribution to the world. The photo exhibition held at various Tibetan colonies highlighted the life and legacy of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, including his 4 principal commitments. The exhibition, titled The Biography of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, for over 6 decades, His Holiness Dalai Lama has led the Tibetan people politically and spiritually, and successfully put the global spotlight on China's occupation of Tibet through the sheer power of non-violence and compassion. Even after complete devolution of political authority to an elected Tibetan leadership in 2011, His Holiness the Dalai Lama remained the moral compass and the conscience guiding the everyday life of the Tibetan people. Therefore, this year-long celebration is an appreciation and a collective expression of the gratitude by the Tibetan people to highlight the outstanding contribution and achievement of His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
Myself, Tanvi Parvin, staff of Central Tibetan Administration, currently working at Tibetan Settlement Office, Dehradun. Kindly allow me to read a brief biography of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, Tenzin Gyatso, is the spiritual leader of Tibet and was the head of state until his devolution of political power to the elected leadership in 2011. He was born on 6 July 1935 to a farming family in a small hamlet located in Takzir, Amdo in northern eastern Tibet. At the age of 2, the child named Hamutundu was recognized as the reincarnation of the 13th Dalai Lama, Thubten Gyatso. On 22nd February 1940, he was formally enthroned at the ceremony in the Potala Palace, Lhasa. His Holiness the Dalai Lama began his monastic education at the age of 5 and at 23 was awarded the Geshe Tharamba degree, which is equivalent to the doctorate of Buddhist philosophy. On 17 November 1950, at the age of 16, His Holiness was called upon to assume the full political power following China's invasion of Tibet the previous year. His Holiness the Dalai Lama has been honored with more than 150 awards and honorary doctorates, including the Nobel Peace Prize in 1989, the United States Congressional Gold Medal in 2007, and Templeton Prize in 2002.
इस पावन प्रांगण में उपस्थित कर्नल नॉर्बू और उनके सभी साथी, भारत तिब्बत सीमा पुलिस के पदाधिकारी, अधिकारीगण, हिंदी साथियों, ये बड़ा फख्र का अवसर है हम सबके लिए, क्योंकि तिब्बत हमारे आगे पीछे दाएं बाएं हर जगह तिब्बत नजर आता है। अगर अपने कंधों को आप देखें तो हमारा एक नाम उसमें तिब्बत जुड़ा रहता है, इंडो तिब्बतन बॉर्डर पुलिस। तिब्बत का अस्तित्व है, हमारा अस्तित्व है। हमारे भारत की पॉलिसी वसुधैव कुटुंबकम, हम हमेशा पूरे संसार को एक घर मानकर, एक परिवार मानकर, हमारी फिलॉसफी उस पर आधारित है। जहाँ तक तिब्बत और उनमें वहाँ पर पनपी कई तरह की अच्छी व्यवस्था में से एक बुद्धिज्म, जो इसी सरजमीन की पैदाइश है, तो इस बात का भी हमें फख्र होता है कि तिब्बत के लोग उस पॉलिसी को बनाते हैं, जीवन में धारण करते हैं और विश्व में एक शांति का संदेश देते हैं। जैसा कि दलाई लामा जी के बारे में कहा, मैं उनको नतमस्तक प्रणाम करता हूँ और मुझे सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ दैवा उनसे मुलाकात करने का। और इस तरह का जो हमारे गले में ये वस्त्र है, एक चिन्ह है, दलाई लामा साहब ने भी हमको दिया था, तो मैंने आज तक संभाल कर रखा है। हम उसको एक शांति का प्रतीक भी नहीं, शक्ति का प्रतीक भी मानते हैं। और क्योंकि हमारे कहीं न कहीं व्यवसाय से उनका नाम जुड़ा है, जो कि इंडो तिब्बतन बॉर्डर पुलिस के अफसर्स हैं, और आजीवन हमने इसके लिए समर्पित किया है। आगे भी इस बल की कार्यशैली उसी परंपराओं पर, उन्हीं सब हमारे आधारभूत सिद्धांतों पर टिकी हुई है। और मैं नॉर्बू साहब को, उनकी टीम को आश्वस्त करता हूं कि भारत तिब्बत सीमा पुलिस अपने दिए हुए कार्य को आपके सहयोग के लिए पूरी तरह से समर्पित रहेगी। और आपके कार्यक्रम इस तरह से करने के लिए मैं आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं। एंड आप सभी के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, नए वर्ष की शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय हिंद।
I would request everyone to just go around and see the photo as well as its explanation. You know, the gratitude here of His Holiness and India, Tibet ties and ancient bonds. It is the title. Yeah, it is the title for all the reincarnated lamas. They are also Rinpoche, they are also known as Tulkus. Tulku, that is as good as Rinpoche only, but it's slightly Gelugpa school of... No, one side.
जिसके इधर है ना रंजीत अपने
नागपुर रोड पे
और साक्या वाला
साक्या वाला है करेक्ट। और उधर
very young that time he was.
We strength to our body, to our spirit. For who could say?
Because now they can understand the pain.
Yes.
On reaching India, the Dalai Lama was warmly welcomed. We didn't stay long in our temporary camp. For our long-term settlement, the government of India and the state acres of good agricultural land has been set aside. More we have learned to rely on the doctor makes a regular call on the sick and needy family.
Neck guy.
There are about 500 young Tibetans, all under 5 and
ये तिब्बत और भारत का संबंध जोड़ा हुआ फोटो का पूरा जानकारी दिया है। तो आप लोग बोल रहे हैं कौन सा पिक्चर है, क्या है, क्योंकि आप लोग जो है आप लोगों जो है बॉर्डर कैसे लगा हमारे फोर्सेस जो आईटीबीपी है, आर्मी है, विकास है, जानकारी दिया हुआ है। तो अभी आप लोग उनके बच्चे हैं, तो हमारे जो चाइना ने जो कि इंडिया भारत से बहुत दूर था, उन्होंने जब चीन ने तिब्बत का आजाद देश तिब्बत कैप्चर करने के बाद हमारे पाम दलाई लामा जी जो है और उनका गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल और 80,000 तिब्बती लोग वहां से भाग के भारत में शरण लेने के लिए आए हैं।